guys, today we are going to read Pigs Make Me Sneeze. Pigs Make Me Sneeze by Mo Willems. Gerald, what do you want to do today? I want, yes, a what? A ball, a swim, a hat. Joe! Are you okay? I don't know. Joe! I can't stop Joe! Sneezing. Oh no! What if pigs make me sneeze? Joe! What if you try sneezing more softly? Sorry. But if pigs do make me sneeze, that means I cannot be near you. Then I cannot be near you. Then we cannot be friends. Then we must be apart forever. But Gerald, no, do not speak. It's too late. Cute. Goodbye, Gerald. Sniff. Are you okay, Gerald? No, I am not okay, Dr. Cat. Pigs make me sneeze, and Piggy is a pig. Piggy is also my best friend. Achoo! Meow! Great, now cats make me sneeze too. Thud. 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 I don't think pigs make you sneeze. I do not think cats make me sneeze. Make you sneeze. I think you have a cold. A cold? You are sick. I am sick! Oh, thank you, doctor. Piggy, great news. I have a cold. Good for you. Pigeon! Okay, that was a funny story. If you want to see more videos like this, everyone, like and subscribe. Bye, everyone.